Okay, this play is called Scissors. It'll make sense in a while, or in a minute. This play will be ran out of gold. Our gold set. So just like this, if the ball's over here with 1, 5 should be opposite of the block, and then everybody else should be set up this way. The way that this will start, the pass should really take place up here. We want 2 to be pretty high as well, not on the 3-point line, so I've got 2 a little too high. But 5 will come up and catch the ball, not at the free throw line, but at the 3-point line, because we want to leave all this space open and available for the girls who are going to be cutting through in just a minute. So 5 cuts up to the top, catches the ball, and she will be facing this direction. She won't turn and square up to the basket. So you see I corrected that 2 is going to be a little higher. As 1 passes the ball to the high or to the post, she will follow her pass, and hopefully her defender will fall behind. And 1 will come, and she'll try to get a little handoff from 5, and she'll try to go and make a layup. Now, I would assume that 5's defender might switch out onto 1, which will open up if 2 will come and use 5 as kind of a screen, and 5 can hand it off to 1, and if she doesn't, she'll hand it off to 2, and then 2 will drive in and look to score. At the same time as these 2 girls are cutting in, 3 and 4 are coming back over to the top. But this play gets its name because we're making this little scissor action. And if 5's got to be aware that if it's open, to hand it off. If it's not, she can just square up and then reverse the ball out, and we can run into our offense. But again, what I'm showing is that the defender will come out, and then 2 will be even more open. So we'll run this play probably several times throughout the course of a game, and it'll be open at different times.